This is Lecture 3-4, Starting a New Journal Page. This is found on page 74 in your book. When we start a new journal page, we need to make sure that before we do that, know what a completed journal page would look like. Okay, so a journal looks like this. You have the general journal written on top, the page of the journal here. This is what I was talking about before. You have your month only one time. You only write your month the first day of that month. So these are all in August. If it would start September here, this would say September, and then it would go 1 through that way. Okay. On General Journal 2, you need to write page number 2. Okay, and then we start with the rest of our journaling. Things that we already know how to do that we looked at in the last few sections. Okay, this part is standard accounting practices for when a mistake or an error is made. You will need to know this if you are doing accounting on paper. Anytime something is wrong, you are going to cross it out with one line in the center, okay? And then you will rejournal if you need to, or you will write the number right above it, okay? Aplia doesn't work this way because it's all online. It will all change. This is what it used to be when we used to write accounting down on paper, so you don't really need to worry too much about this. We'll talk about this later in more detail if needed.